Right now, okay, there are 7 guys in South Korea.
Manipulating guys is so easy.
Oh, yes.
COVID vaccine. Facial.
Face shield.
COVID vaccine.
Face
Mask. COVID vaccine.
face shield.
Face mask. Pwede tarungan.
Para nimo, unsa ang hot girl?
Appearance. Small waist. Bigger boobs. Bigger butt. When you know how to carry yourself. No matter what your body type is.
It's more of kanang smart and independent woman. I think those are the women who are really hot.
It's a girl nga, kanang confident yun. It's all about positive mindset and hot girl mindset. Period.
As a hot girl, maka-appreciate sad ka sa ubang hot or attractive girls.
Oh my gosh, of course!
Yes.
Yes, of course. Especially if I've seen how they work hard to be able to show their confidence.
Yes. Mahimo man ang kuan kanang motivation or inspiration.
Para nimo, importante ba ang looks?
Important ang looks.
I guess. 50-50. Para ako mang good kanang first impressions last.
No.
50-50 ko. Kanang advantage man jud ang looks no or bonus na jud na siya pero if attitude sad kay ka then nakay looks mo ma-turn off sad siguro ko.
So mas para na ako, the most important thing is the personality of the person.
I think to me, looks are important, but personality is important.
Or brains?
Both!
Both beauty and brains.
Both. Because I have them, both.
Kung gwapa ka pero nag-lack ka og brains,
I would choose brains.
Sino naka-hot sa mga Visaya girls?
Independent!
Is the exit.
Empowered!
For me kanang dili arte, dili OA.
Kanang street smart.
Daghan gyud nag-ingon na hot gyud ang Bisaya accent.
Your hotness, is it an advantage or a disadvantage?
Hotness would always be an advantage. I think that's just how the world works, you know.
Advantage siya, daghan kag opportunities.
Honestly speaking is advantage. Karon pa lang pag-parking nako dali kay ko ka-parking. Because pagkita nila nako nga ga-makeup ko, they said, "Oh, hi ma'am."
Of course, disadvantage din siya. Kaya ang ikaw raw may pirmi doon na.
What are your thoughts on catcalling?
rude. Oh no, yucks. Ew, hate.
I hate it.
I hate it.
Bastos jud like di jud ko ganahan.
Period, no.
Do you get insecure?
Of course.
Yes.
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 Pero nowadays, dili na ko insecure about my physicalities. It's more on kanang murag insecure ko kay dili na ko ma-achieve akong goals.
Hello.
Murag ano gani kanang
I got insecure a lot. I'm more on the chubby side and the shorter. I think it narrows down to your past experiences.
Ma-handle naman ako. Char, ma-handle.
As a hot girl, how is your experience with dating?
Sa'yo, charot.
Right now, okay, there are 7 guys in South Korea. Amen.
ako
But
kaya
don't know me.
dili pa na nako priority
It's
so wala ko
okay.
nakita. 5 years na misa akong uyab so okay.
I think I haven't just met the right person yet.
I don't know.
What are your thoughts on girls making the first move?
Okay ra jud kayo for me.
I guess okay ra siya.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that society told us not to do the first move or not to make the first move.
It's 2021.
Yes, exactly.
Pero, ang dami sa nga ma-reject kahit ever lang.
Sa dating, mas mo-prefer ka o mas attractive mo or dapat mas attractive ka?
Mas mayo if ang both, di ba? Charot.
A relationship is not about kung competition magud kung kinsay mas better looking. For me lang ha. But plus points if na siya look si Jud. I mean, gwapo jud siya.
Bonus na ang looks. I have to say that. Bonus na gyud if attractive ang imong partner. Kay you yourself, you're attractive. Pero guwapa matatanan.
Bitaw.
What turns you on?
Confidence po.
Koan, sense of humor.
Sa kay maka-turn on man gyud ang kisan sa liog. Ma, dad, sorry. But like, actually, ang turn on gyud sa person is, again, para nako jud turn on jud ang dreams.
Para nimo, what is consent?
So simply saying yes is a consent. If a person says other than that, it doesn't mean na okay ra. Wait for the person to say yes to have that consent.
Para ako in simple terms lang kay kanang consent kay dili lang ka na murag simply saying yes but also ka naging murag mo show off ka og non-verbal nga communication.
Consent is when both parties agree to the same terms.
Mo agree mo together nga kanang ganahan sad mong duha. Ikaw ug siya ganahan sad ingana.
Do you also feel objectified / sexualized?
Yes.
Not only for me, but as well as the hot girls all over. I think women tend to be sexualized and objectified. Good.
Ano, ikakol ka?
Yeah, actually, especially kana ganing when you're in a male-dominant environment. I mean, it's so weird that they think na guwapa lang ka. Or, I also tried before nga, margainan ko nga kanang, ay, i-hire man ka kay guwapa ka. Women can be trash too.
Lucky ka na mo catcall, then you're trash.
Call more. But ikag batasan, you're trash.
Not all, but bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan.
Sana magdala ng mga what is
Hot girls go to the sea.
Yeah.
Together.
So sa CR kay, kanang nakay kuan powder. Ano naman na.
Koan lang, mo nara ko nga mag-CR sa kuha pero sila ray mo kuyog.
Para na yung magdasak ng bag. My goodness.
What is your message to women who don't feel hot, sexy, or attractive?
Manifest it. I am sexy. I am hot. I am attractive. Manifest it, girl. You are.
It won't be easy. It will never be easy. But, just try to take a step forward.
Love yourself and be yourself lang jud ingana.
You is beautiful. You is smart. You is independent.
The other side, if you don't feel hot today, okay ra.
Love yourself, like yourself, are good.
No.
Appreciate yourself, respect yourself.
Period.
Ako si Shane.
Ako si Char.
Ako si Jane.
Ako si AD.
Ako si Yanni.
Ako si Gigi.
And we are Hot Bisaya Girls. I hope
Wala
that
pa
through
dyan
this
na nakuha.
video, through this platform, we will create a world and a community that is safe for girls and women all over the world. Thank you.
Period.